Hello, my friends. Hope you all are doing well. So, first of all, I want to wish you all a very happy, wonderful, and colorful Holi. I just wish all your dreams will come true. So, on this occasion, I have come up with this bold eye makeup look. This is a blue eye makeup, and yes, if you want to know how to achieve it, then please keep on watching. So for this look, I'm going to do my eyes first and I'm preparing it with this Bonjour Paris concealer in shade number 5. Once again, the details are in the description box, so please check that out. I'm applying it on my eyelid area and little bit on the under eye area, and now I'm blending it with my ring finger. Setting everything with this Oriflame loose powder so that there will not be any creasing and my eyeshadow will last long. To have a little bit of guidance, I am going to use this tape and I'm putting it at this angle as you can see in the video, starting from my lower lash line till my eyebrow ends, and I am trying to put it as similar as possible on both the eyes. For this look, I am just using this one single eyeshadow palette. In this, you just need three colors, light, medium and dark. So taking this brown shade and putting it in the crease area, and it will work as a transition shade. Now taking this black eyeshadow, I'm going to put it on the outer V of my eyes, and gradually I'm building it and throwing it inside the crease area. Now taking this blue eyeshadow from the same palette, I'm going to put it all over my eyelid and blend it nicely. I'm going to pick little bit color at a time and gradually I will increase the pigmentation. I will repeat the process till the time I am happy with the pigmentation. Now again taking this fluffy brush, I am going to blend out everything so that there will not be any harsh lines. For highlighting my brow bone area, I am using this Revlon eyeshadow in shade Sand, and this is a very nice eyeshadow. It works pretty well as a highlighter shade. So for those who want to, have a budget friendly highlighter, can invest in this product. And the same product, I'm going to put it in a corner of my eyes. Now I'm using Seven Heaven pen eyeliner and drawing a winged eyeliner. I'm trying my level best to achieve a nice and proper wing. Now it's time for doing my eyebrows. Nothing new. I'm using my Color Essence eyeshadow only and doing a very nice and defined eyebrows for this look. Because I have a little bit of fallout of these eyeshadows, I am wiping it off with the wet wipes and taking this Blue Heaven X Factor foundation. I am using it as my base and putting it all over and blending out with the PAC Beauty Blender. Because I have a bold eye makeup today, so I want the under eye area to be very nice, clear and highlighted. So to cover a dark circle, I'm using this Color Essence pen stick and applying it with a concealer brush. Now I'm blending it with the PAC Beauty Blender. For highlighting, I'm using this color contouring stick from Bon Tree's store, putting it on my highest points and then blending it out with the PAC Beauty Blender again. Now to avoid creasing of the concealer, I am using the same loose powder from the Oriflame, and later on I am using this big powder brush to cover my face with this powder. Taking this L18 Drama Kajal, I am doing my lower and upper waterline. And taking that blue colors from the same palette, I'm going to smudge out my lower lash line. It's time to curl my eyelashes, and then I'm going to use this Falsies mascara. If you want, you can go with the false eyelashes, but I'm skipping it today. Taking the same eyeshadow from the Revlon, I am going to use it as a highlighter. And later on, I'm blending out everything with a brush. Taking this Maybelline Cheeky Glow blush, name is Peachy Sweetie, and applying it with very light hands. And for lipstick, I am taking this Savannah lipstick in shade number 11 because my eyes are a little bored, so I want my lips to be a little neutral. So yes, here completes this look. I hope you enjoyed watching it. This is the first time I have done something different because I like very neutral and everyday kind of makeup, and this is something different for me. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you have any suggestions, then please do leave it in the comment bar. Hit the like button, share my video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. And once again, happy Holi to all of you.